In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the CPU priority of your apps and games. So what you need to do is first head over to your start menu and just search for Task Manager and click on this. And now in order to change the priority, we need to click on the Details tab. Now the Details tab is this one just below the bottom, this one here. And then all you simply need to do is find the application that you want to change the priority of. Now before you can change the priority, you just need to make sure this app is open and running on your computer. So I'm just going to open up the Roblox player to show you this as an example. And then once you have the application running, you can just scroll down this list and locate it from here. Then we need to right click on set priority, and then you can change the CPU priority from here. So I'm just going to set this to high and click on change priority. Now, if for some reason you can't change the priority, then what you'll need to do instead is right click on it, click on properties, click on security, click on administrators, click on edit. And then you need to make sure that full control is selected in this allow option, and then press apply. You also want to do the same for your profile name as well. Make sure full control is set to allow. And you also want to do the same for administrators. Make sure full control is checked, and then just press apply and OK. Close out of here, and then you can right click on this and you should be able to change the priority level. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.